Some people speak about worldly affairs in a cemetery. Is it allowed? There's no harm in that, but not to talk about in a way, because Rasulullah has said that قد نهيتكم عن زيارة القبور فزوروها فإنها تذكركم الآخرة. Indeed, I have prevented you in early stage of Islam from visiting the graves. Now I'm allowing you to go and visit the graveyards. Why? Because this will remind you of the Akhirah. So it's solely that purpose, that when people are visiting the graveyards, they should be serious, they should be worried about their own death, because today this person is buried, tomorrow it could be the same, we will be the next. So are we prepared for it? Are we ready to face Allah? Are we ready to bear the consequences of the graves? So that's the reason we have to be very serious. But generally, if somebody is talking, we can't say it's haram to talk about dunya, but a person should be serious and should be more into praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may Allah make easy for the people who are buried in the grave, and also if I'm coming next, so Allah make easy for me in the grave. So this should be the main concern. But in case if they are asking here and there, that's fine, alhamdulillah.